it always reminds me of a statue that I saw when I was in Barcelona, Spain. When you go to Barcelona, Spain, on the coast of the sea, you see a big statue of Columbus pointing towards west. So whenever I ask, what does it mean? They say it's a hope. It's a hope for discovering something new, right? And this actually is well, sort of coordinated with Richard Knox, a very eminent philosopher and writer, and also a painter, who said that what is new? So he says, whenever something new comes, we initially resist. This is rational human nature. We resist because we are skeptic. Then slowly, pragmatism, develops in us, and we start to say, maybe this is good. Let's see, maybe let's modify this. And after a point of time, when this becomes part of our life, then we say, oh my God, why it has not come 10 years back? So this is change, right? And this is the significance of today's program. We are in a discussion about a change of not a small thing. It's a change of an entire criminal ecosystem, right? It does not change only one bit or small bit. And this change, as I see, may have been now consolidated form, has come through these 3 new criminal laws. But the wings of change started long back, right? I was talking to my senior, my colleague, my friend, my brother Sarfaraz Bhai, and I was telling him that, do you remember in 2000 when we were LLM students, Malimat committee research was going on, we were all part of it. And I think the change sort of started from that time. Okay, only all this consolidating into what we see today. So it's not a change of one person, it's not a change of one particular moment, it's not a change of one particular Lok Sabha or one particular government. It's a change of a thought which has come for a long, long time. Right? And what is that change? The change is remove the colonial hegemony. I'm an anti-colonial scholar. I'm not a criminal lawyer. Neither am I a criminal law scholar. So I have limited knowledge of criminal law, but I'm an anti-colonial scholar. And my scholarship says this is a change to change the colonial hegemony. Right? The Chief Justice of India in a very recent past was India Today forum was asked this question: why we have so much pendency? Why we have so much distress for our marginalized population in terms of seeking access to justice? He said, because of the colonial nature of our Indian legal and judicial system. We all are living in a colonial hegemony. I think all of us are dressed on all this hegemony, the black coat and all. Why I'm referring, because the area which I'm more familiar, ADR, our former Chief Justice, Justice Ramanna, said that in India and many of our common law post countries, we feel law and justice cannot exist without these appendages: black coat, banner, band, gown. But actually justice is not with these appendages. Justice is what is justice. It's this colonial hegemony that has brought these appendages to justice. So we are now moving towards. We never know. The day is coming when this black coat will go. I have studied in America, I have practiced in America. In American courts, you don't have a black coat. You don't have a gown, you don't have a band. Yes, the judge has, but not the lawyers. Right? So this movement towards this anti-colonializing or decolonizing our legal system, this step is one of the very important way, paving towards that. And I, as a positivist and pragmatist, as well as an anti-colonial person, feel that it's a great moment, and that's what our speakers have spoken about. Yes, concerns will be there. We will address that. But first, let's come out of it. So that's what are my concluding remarks for this session. Rest we will discuss in this, the post-lunch session. I don't want to hold you back, because both of us, we started under one common teacher, and he used to say, at the end of before the lunch break, that hungry person is an angry person. So I don't want to make you too much angry. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful speech. Okay, so students and all the dignitaries present here, I would like to announce that our chairman, sir, has arrived and he will be arriving soon in this seminar hall. So please wait. We will honor him, felicitate him, and then it will be followed by a short speech. Then we will commence with the lunch. So please wait, students. And please maintain decorum. Chairman, sir, is arriving.
Hello.
Now comes the much anticipated arrival of the most dignified personality of this event, the founding father of iCare and Haldia Law College, our Honorable Chairman, sir. A big round of applause for our chairman, sir. The auspicious occasion is graced by the presence of Dr. Lakshman Chandra Seth, D.Litt, the chief patron, the founder, and the chairman, iCare and Haldia Law College. Now, it's time to felicitate our chief patron, Honorable Chairman, sir. Our dear students of Haldia Law College will honor him with floral bouquet. Honorable Chairman, sir, Dr. Lakshman Chandra Seth is going to be felicitated. A big round of applause. The tree of life represents harmony and balance in nature, rebirth and a connection of the earthly and the spiritual. Hence, I would request our chairman, sir, Dr. Lakshman Chandra Seth, D.Litt, to sprinkle water on the plant to mark this event with an earthly note. I also request other distinguished guests and dignitaries to join, sir. Please, sir. Sir. This is the auspicious Jolosrinchan ceremony marking the tree of life. I request other distinguished guests and dignitaries to join, sir, in this ceremony. We have with us Honorable Justice Madhumati Mitra ma'am, Professor Dr. Anirban Chakraborty sir, Professor Dr. Debashri Mukherjee ma'am, Dr. Sarfaraz Ahmed Khan sir, Honorable Justice Tawfiq Uddin sir. Now, we would like to request Honorable Chairman Sir, Dr. Lakshman Chandra Seth, to share his thoughts on this occasion. Please, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, sitting on the dais, and my beloved students, today, important day, one-day national seminar is going on. Our teachers, students, honorable guests, they are addressing this issue. But I am not well, so I will not be able to deal the matters. Subject which has been placed before us for discussion is very much important. The issue which has been placed before us is very much important. It goes without saying. New criminal laws in India. Our government of India, they have placed before us to deal the new criminal law. The new criminal law is very much important. Everyone, we should go into details. Practically those who want to deal with the new criminal laws in the court, they should know our existing laws, criminal law, which is being dealt in the court, has been changed, totally changed. But I think matters relating to the new criminal law has not been changed. But is because as we are Indian, we had a criminal law from the very beginning of our civilized society. This seminar should discuss about this matter. Our law, which has come for the discussion, is very important. But it will take time to discuss. the new law which has come into our practice is not so much new, but only version of the law is new. However, I have not well discussed the matter. But I think we should discuss in depth. Otherwise, we will forget our history. Not only the law, our history we will forget. It will take time. So now but we have to go into details about the new law. I will not go into details. I am unable to go into details because of my health problem. I am very happy that the gathering is quite okay. Though our gathering should be more than what we are now having. However, it will increase. At least the students who will join in the practice in the court, they will be joining in the discussion. Because if they want to practice in the court, they have to know the law. So it is a matter of practice. I hope they will go into details. I hope that you will also go into the discussion. I was also very much interested to know the new laws. But because of my illness, I could not do that. But I have to do. Anyhow, with this expectation, I am concluding my speech and hope you have to know the matters in details. With these words, I am concluding my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman Sir, for such encouraging words. Now, we have come to the end of the technical session 1, but the technical session 2 and technical session 3 awaits us after the lunch break, where we are eagerly waiting to hear to the speeches of Dr. Professor Anirban Sir and Dr. Sarfaraz Sir. So students, I request you all to come back to this seminar hall just after 1 hour. Like the lunch break will ensue for 1 hour. You have your food and you come back within 3:10. Please maintain decorum. And I would also like to request our guests and dignitaries to have their lunch. Okay. Thank you, everybody. We will meet again in the seminar hall sharply at 3:10 p.m. Thank you.